too much attracted towards Switzerland and Germany. यार I want to live there. डाला मैंने पहली बार कुछ वाइट कलर का डाला है. So hello guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Mom just gave me milk. I'm going to drink the milk and then I'll be get ready. And yeah, I'll show you. This I just came on the top of my house because mom gave me these clothes and I have to dry these by putting these on these wires. So I'm going to do, and then I'll meet you because I have very less time. I have to go to bus stand to drop mom also. Guys, the time is 10:10 a.m. and now I'm going to bath, and these are my clothes. Now I'm going to take shower and I'll meet you after taking bath, and then I'll go to temple. Guys, I was just watching vlogs and videos on YouTube and Instagram. Like literally, I am like from the bottom of my heart, I can say this. I am too much attracted towards Switzerland and Germany. Yeah, I want to live there for my like the view and the country is too good, and I like the mindset of the peoples of the Switzerland, Swiss and German people. I like their mindset and their way of thinking, and also the nature, due to which I like to move to Switzerland or Canada in future, and I'll get PR for sure. Guys, in the vlog I said that I want to move abroad in the Switzerland or Germany, but there is a reason, because you guys did not overthink too much that I hate India or didn't like India. But the main motive behind moving abroad is to get that exposure and to discover different cultures, different people and different countries. It doesn't mean that I just want to live in Switzerland or Germany. The main motive is to travel the whole world, and I want to settle in a good peaceful country, like in the way as human nature is that everyone wants to live a better lifestyle. So because of which I want to move abroad. There is no discrimination like I didn't like India or something. India is also a very good country to live, but for my preferences and according to my conditions, I need to move to abroad. Like there are also some personal conditions or something which I can't tell you, but the main motive is that I love my country India, and I'll also till my whole life says that India is the best country, but I want to live according to my preferences and conditions. I want to live abroad in Germany or Switzerland. Guys, your boy is ready. See the outfit. और मुझे shit ऐसे की तैसे दिख रहा है कुछ. So guys, your boy is ready. See the outfit. और मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ कितना रेट करोगे मेरी आउटफिट को आउट ऑफ 10. देखो वाइट पजामा डाला है मैंने पहली बार, कुछ वाइट कलर का डाला है, अजीब ना लग रहा हो. तो अभी हम चले हैं ज़रा बैंक के लिए, तो अभी हम जाते हैं और सिलेंडर वगैरह भी लाना है, तो दीदी पीछे से रिकॉर्ड कर लेगी. सो गाइस, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बैंक. टिल नाउ वी वाज इन गैस एजेंसी, लाइक we was doing some work.
We were in gas agency and we were working for getting a cylinder and we got one, but
Now we are heading to bank because if we didn't go to bank na, then it will shut down and our work will stop here,
yeah,
and there is no point of coming here today.
yeah.
So guys, now I am drinking sugarcane juice and I am here. Guys, I just came here to bring my mom because mom is coming from college, and this is the bus stand. Yeah, it doesn't look like a bus stand, but it's the last stop where the bus stops. You can see this. I think she'll come in 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll get her back to the home. See my pajamas condition. This is because of the Indian roads. Our roads need to be updated, or our roads need to be replaced by the highways. I pray this to Indian government. I don't know guys why I'm too shy to record in the public, like no one is watching me. now why I'm getting now why I am getting too much nervous. No one is watching me, but I am in a public place. That's the fear that I want to overcome by making vlogs. Guys, I just came home and now I'm going to learn a new skill which is known as numerology, which is a part of astrology, and now I'll learn it from today onwards. I'll also do workout in the evening, but before that I want to show you something. See this. This is an apple tree and there is a small apple. If you can see me, if you can see it, see, it's there. If you can see it, I don't know how, but this apple is saved from monkeys till now. I don't know how, but yeah, it's a apple tree and that's a mango tree. Guys, I just came after doing exercise like planks or push-ups. I just did 10 to 15 push-ups and plank for 2-3 minutes because I just started today after 1 month break. Because in the college I used to do a lot of exercise, but after that now I am doing 1 month later exercise again, due to which I am getting a lot of, you can say that, problems in doing so. So I've just started with basic, and now I'm going to take the little cows because it's time to get them inside the home, because if I didn't get them inside, then their moms will come and they'll drink all the milk, which is not good, and then my father will shout at me. So see, this is the condition. Now I have to find them in this.
गाइस हम एक नई जगह से मोमो और स्प्रिंग रोल लाए थे, लगा दिया।
और ये भी वैसे ही है,
ये भी वैसे ही है जैसे हमने एक बार पहले खाए थे। फ़ोन बंद ही है, स्विच ऑफ ही है। वैसे इनकी मेव अच्छी है बिकॉज ये पैकेट वाली है। स्प्रिंग रोल और भी ओके हैं। ऑल्सो वी हैव बंद, इनको वी से कुलचा इन अदर लैंग्वेज। गाइस तो इसमें ये
बंद,
इसमें ये चने का मसाला होता है।
इथले लिफाफे छोड़ता नहीं पिया मसाले एक पाई दे ची चटनी भी
मजा आ गया, पूरा रेडी मार्का।
आप भी खा लो।
कद्दी वाइट ले लेंगे, मेरा बस दिल
चने का मम्मा वैसे काफ़ी है, इसकी सब्जी बन जाएगी, सब्जी हो जाएगी रात के लिए।
कार खोल के देखते
इतने पाई दे सारे हैं।
I just came from temple, you can see that, and now I'm sitting in front of AC because I'm too tired and my tummy is still too much paining. I don't know why. I didn't eaten anything since morning, but till now it's paining, so I'm not going to eat dinner today also. I'm going to see what happened. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. My tummy is too much paining and I'm also getting pain in my leg. I don't know what happened with my leg, but too much pain. Yeah, now I'm going to sleep and I'll meet you with a new vlog with a new day tomorrow. Bye bye, peace out.